Hi sweet friends, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I'm going to be doing one of my favorite DIYs. We're going to be making a Christmas yardstick door swag. It can also be used as a centerpiece or a garland. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, leave a comment, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. My son spray painted my yardstick for me and we cut it at 28 inches. You will also need some pipe cleaners. First, you're going to move down your yardstick about 3 inches or so. You're going to take a pipe cleaner, twist it to the left side tightly, press it down to the table, take a second pipe cleaner. You're going to twist it to the right side and press it down to the table. Then you're going to take a third pipe cleaner. You're going to twist it around the center and leave it pointed toward the ceiling. After you have your pipe cleaners added to your yardstick, I like to add a little bit of hot glue around the pipe cleaners so that they do not slide or move. You're going to need 2 rolls of the 10-inch deco mesh, and I picked mine up at Hobby Lobby. You're going to gather your 10-inch deco mesh in your hand and you're going to make a poof. And you're going to go to the top of your yardstick, and we're only going to be using the center pipe cleaners right now. So take your poof, put it in that center pipe cleaner, give the pipe cleaner a few twists, then fluff your poof. Now you're going to take your hand and you're going to slide down about 8 to 10 inches, make another poof, go to that second set of pipe cleaners. We're only using the one that points up toward the ceiling, the center one. Twist it around your mesh and leave it pointed toward the ceiling. Fluff your mesh. Go down about 8 to 10 inches on your deco mesh, gather it, then go to your third set of pipe cleaners. Use the one in the center only, twist it around your deco mesh, and continue this same pattern all the way down. For the end poof, I just added another pipe cleaner and left it pointed toward the ceiling. Sometimes it's just easier to do it that way, or you do not have to make a poof. You can just let it hang down and be curly. I also wanted to mention that if you're making this as a door swag, you might want to drill a hole in the top of your yardstick. That way you can thread some wire or twine through it to hang it up on your door. Next, we're going to be working on the left and right side. So you're going to take your 10-inch deco mesh. We're going to be cutting strips at 22 inches. You will want your strip to curl up toward the ceiling. You're going to take the end, roll it a couple times, take a chip clip or a clothespin, pin the end, then go the other end, roll it a few times, and then walk your fingers up the center of your deco mesh. When you get to the other end, then remove your chip clip or clothespin, and you have a beautiful woodland ruffle. Now you're going to be doing the left and right side on your yardstick. So go to the top left pipe cleaner, put your little ruffle in and give that pipe cleaner a few twists and then fluff your mesh. Now you're going to do the same thing on the right side, and you're going to continue all the way down, filling in the left and the right side with woodland ruffles. Now this method, I don't know who came up with it, but it's a great method because it helps to, prevent the fraying. The ends are rolled under, and so you don't have all that fraying and mess that you sometimes do with other methods. Next, we're going to tie a big bow, so let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched in your left hand, make another loop, try to make it the same size as your first loop, keep it pinched tightly in your hand, let out some more ribbon, go back to your other side, make another loop, try to make it the same size. Sometimes when you have a design on your ribbon, you have to twist the ribbon to keep the design on top, and you'll want to use ribbon with wire to make your bow. This is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire from Sam's Club. Now I'm adding a second color, and it's the 2.5-inch width ribbon, also with wire from Sam's Club. So just place it right on top of your first color. Same steps. Make a loop about the same size as your other loops, and just go back and forth, trying to make your loops the same size on each side until you get the bow the size you want. And then you're going to want to have some floral wire close by to wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow. And I like to use 20-gauge floral wire, and you can pick it up at Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Michael's, Dollar Tree, places like that. So once you have the bow the size you want, then let out a tail, and then you're going to take your wire and wrap it nice and tight around the center of the bow. Make sure you get that wire twisted nice and tight. I tied this large bow for the top of the door swag, and then I made a smaller one with only one color for the bottom of the door swag. We're going to dovetail the ends, take your tail, fold it in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends and just kind of dresses up your bow. Sorry if you hear something. Parker is in here with me, and most of y'all already know he's my little chihuahua. Parker goes wherever I go, so he's always with me, so sorry if you hear him. But next you'll want to fluff the loops of your bow. Once you have the loops fluffed, you're ready to take your wires and you're going to place this bow at the top of your yardstick door swag. And you're going to take the wires and you're going to thread them through your deco mesh. Don't go around the mesh. Work your wires through the deco mesh and then go the back and twist the wires and then fold them down. If you are making this as a centerpiece, I think it would be beautiful to add the big large bow in the center, and then maybe on the left and right side of the bow, maybe do 2 big shatterproof Christmas ornaments. Also, this would look so pretty with some LED battery powered lights. Next, I took my ribbon and I just stacked one on top of the other and I just pinched it together. Now I'm going right below the big bow to a center pipe cleaner, and I am going to add ribbon down the center of my door swag. So I just twisted the pipe cleaner around the ribbon. Then now I am going to make about an 8 or so inch, gather it, poof if you want to call it, go to my next set of pipe cleaners and twist the ribbon in the pipe cleaners. Now when you get finished adding ribbon and adding ornaments and everything, make sure you go back and trim your pipe cleaners shorter and fold them down, that way nobody can see them. I added ribbon all the way down the center of this door swag, left a long tail, and then on the last set of pipe cleaners I added another bow. I just made it a little bit smaller and I added it right at the bottom of the door swag, and then I went back and I added some large shatterproof Christmas ornaments, and then I also added some smaller ones from Dollar Tree, plus I had a beautiful poinsettia that I picked up at Hobby Lobby that I added to this door swag. There are lots of different ways to make yardstick door swags. I make one for every season and holiday, so I have lots of tutorials on yardstick door swags, centerpieces, garlands on my YouTube channel. So if you're looking for a specific one, let me know and I'll try to link it for you. After I finished adding ribbon down the center of the door swag, I let out a long tail, then I dovetailed the ends. And so this is how it looks, and like I said, I went back and added some more fun things. Now you can make this for any season or holiday. I am just making mine for Christmas, and I know it's a little bit early, but I love decorating for Christmas. I have had the large ornaments for a while, so I can't remember exactly where I picked them up. I'm thinking Hobby Lobby, and then the smaller ones I picked up at Dollar Tree, and then this beautiful poinsettia came from Hobby Lobby when they had them on sale for 40% off. So that's what I did to decorate my yardstick door swag, and I just hot glued everything on, and also where I could, I used my pipe cleaners to secure things. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you make a yardstick door swag, I would love to see it. I'm on Facebook and Instagram and also TikTok at Keeping It Simple Crafts.